Good morning students. Welcome to you all 11th standard accountancy. So in this video we are going to discuss books of prime entry. Okay. So sum number 8. Enter the following transaction in the books of Sasikumar who dealing with the automobiles. So we have to prepare the journal entry. Before that we have to write the heading first. So in the books of Sasikumar journal entry. So you know the format: date, particulars, LF, debit and credit. Okay, we will see one by one. So first transaction, commenced business with the goods. Commenced business with the goods rupees 40,000. Okay, so what comes in goods? So who is the giver? Sasikumar. So we have to write here stock account debtor. So stock come inside the business. So stock account debtor to Sasikumar capital account. Sasikumar capital account. Being, we have to write the narration. So being commenced business with the goods 40,000. Okay, so second transaction, cash introduced in the business. Cash introduced in the business. Date 3/10/2017. So cash introduced in what's coming in the business? Cash. What's coming? Debit. You know the golden rules. Real account rules, what comes in debit, what goes out credit. So what's coming? Cash. So cash account debtor. So who is the giver? So Sasikumar. So Sasikumar capital. Sasikumar capital. Amount 60,000. Being commenced business with the cash. Being commenced business with the cash. Okay. So next third one. So we have to write again date, particulars, debit, credit, LF. Okay, so next transaction, date 4/10/2017, purchased goods from Arul on credit. Purchased goods from Arul on credit is a credit transaction. So what's come in goods? So purchased. So purchase account debtor. Purchase account debtor to Arul account. Who is the giver? So you know the personal account rules. Debit the receiver and credit the giver. So Arul is the giver. So we have to write on the credit side. So being purchase goods from Arul. Goods from Arul. How much? 70,000. Next, date 6th October 2017. Return goods to Arul. Return goods to Arul because of defective qualities or damage. So the Arul return the goods. Arul return goods to Arul. So who is the receiver? So Arul is the receiver. So we have to write Arul account debtor. So Arul account debtor to purchase return is happened. So purchase return. Purchase return account. So Arul account debtor to purchase return. So being return goods to Arul. Return goods to Arul 10,000. Next transaction 10, date 10. 10th October 2017. Paid cash to Arul. Paid cash to Arul. So who is the receiver? Arul. What goes out? Cash. So we have to write debit the receiver. So Arul account debtor. What goes out? Cash. So cash account. Being paid cash to Arul. Paid cash to Arul 60,000. 60,000. So next date 10/10/2017 sold goods to Sandhar on credit. Sold goods to Sandhar on credit. So who is the receiver here? Sandhar. So we have to write here Sandhar account debtor to sales account 30,000. Being sold to Sandhar. Next date 18/10/2017 Sandhar returned goods worth ₹6,000. So Sandhar returned the goods to worth ₹60,000. So who is the giver? Sandhar. So sales return account debtor. Sales return account debtor to Sandhar account. So Sandhar is the giver, so we have to write on the credit side. So what will happen? Sales return. So sales return account debtor to Sandhar. So being Sandhar return goods. How much? 6,000. (2010) 2017 received cash from Sandhar in full settlement. Cash received. So what comes in? Cash. So cash account debtor to Sandhar account. Being cash received from Sandhar. Okay. So 23,000 in full settlement. 23,000. So what's coming? Cash. So who is the giver? Sandhar. Okay. So next one, paid salary through the ECS. So ECS means electronic clearing system. You know that. So paid salary nominal account. So nominal account rules. All the expenses losses debit. So salary account debtor to bank account. Being salary paid through ECS. How much? 2,000. The Shakil took for personal use goods worth ₹10,000. So personal account means we have to use drawing. So drawing account debtor to purchase account. Being Shakil took for personal use. Shakil took for personal use 10,000. So once again in the books of Sasikumar journal entry. So first transaction commenced business with cash. So what is the entry? You know that stock account debtor to Sasikumar capital. Second entry, cash introduced by the business. So what comes in? Cash. So cash account debtor to Sasikumar capital. And third transaction, purchased goods from Arul. So purchase account debtor to Arul account 70,000. Then next, but being returned to goods to Arul, so purchase return, so who is the receiver? Arul. So Arul account debtor to purchase return 10,000. Then after that, pay cash to Arul, so who is the receiver? Arul. So Arul account debtor to cash 60,000. Then next transaction, sold goods to Chandar on credit, so who is the receiver? Chandar. So Chandar account debtor to sales. The next one, Chandar returned goods worth rupees 60,000. So in defective qualities, the goods returned to the Chandar. So who is the giver? So Chandar is the giver. So sales return account debtor to Chandar. Next one, cash received from Chandar in full settlement. So who was come in cash? So who is the giver? Chandar. So cash account debtor to Chandar account. The next one, paid salaries through the ECS. So salary account debtor to bank. Then last one, Shagil took for personal use for goods worth rupees 10,000. So drawing account debtor to purchase. I hope you all understand this topic. Thank you.